Hi, Jason Muszala here with Flying Heritage with this month's Maintenance Department update. As you know from last month, we were working on the F6F Hellcat annual inspection. Well, we completed that and performed a maintenance test flight on it, along with several others. Actually, a lot of our month was spent doing maintenance test flights, and we flew several different aircraft, including the P-51, P-47, the P-40, the Hawker Hurricane that you see here behind me, the F6F Hellcat, of course, and the Corsair. Additionally, we put a flight on the Messerschmitt Bf-109, and for a very exciting reason, we had young Stephen Hinton successfully checked out, so we now have a new Messerschmitt pilot on the FHCAM staff, so we're all real happy about that. In restoration news, we did initial test runs on the UMO 211 engine for the Ju-87 Stuka dive bomber that's being restored right here at FHC AM, and you can expect more on that next month. Talking about next month, you'll see us, if you come in, working on the Mosquito annual inspection, getting ready for our big Skyfair event. Skyfair happens July 20th. We'll be flying 9 different aircraft, including 3 British fighters that you can see right here behind me, all together at once. So stay tuned and we'll see you around.